Hi, welcome back to Subtech Online. Today we are going to look at a function called aggregate sum in Excel. So, aggregate function returns aggregate calculations like average, marks. Optionally, it ignores hidden rows and errors. So, it consists of 19 operations available. So, let's start the data we have. I'm going to specifically look at the column where we have give error because we're dividing by 0. Now, in this case, if we are to get the sum of the relative cells uh, using the ordinary sum function, there a difference, and whether we shall do the same on going first with aggregate sum is equal to aggregate. Then use the function number. This is the function. There are 19. So this time I'm going to sum 9. Then we go to the option. That is an error handle. So you can choose what you need. For now, I'm going to look at lowering and go with 7. I'll go with any of the 7. And then my array is from the relative cells, the table. Give me that function. So this is it. That's my range, relative cells. So here we have this is our aggregate sum for the whole of the relative cells. Then now we use the ordinary sum function is equal to sum. I've already seen it is a table, then that's all data. Relative cells. Get contrast. So we end up with a div error because this. Now when we do the same on count, this is equal to count. Function number. Then we go with hidden rows and values. And the array. I want us to know the difference using aggregate function. So here it automatically tells you that if you'll ever have error in your data, the sum function doesn't work for you. Always have to aggregate so that it will keep or skip the errors, then it goes with the remaining values. Now another thing is if we chose to build out some of the fields, let's say on category we say no, we need to look at furniture only. I think you see the value changes, but still some remains that continuing looking at maybe one state Colorado. Okay. Now another thing you note, when you filter out here, it will be showing you that actually we are looking at 1, but the normal count function, it will give you all the 146, which are that range of relatives. So it means that if you are always to filter out some of the data, the aggregate function works. Giving another example here, let me sum the cells this time. Let's sum the cells, this, okay. Also here we sum cells still. Now, we find now that the total is the same. Yes, the total is the same. We are summing cells. But if I continue filtering out, like I need to look at one customer, Brendan. So you'll find that for the aggregate sum, it is only giving us the sum of what has been filtered out, which is 1280.992. But the other function will remain giving you the sum of all, even the hidden cell, hidden rows. So if you are to filter out with hidden rows, hide rows, and you still at some point you need your formulas to keep working, please continue using the aggregate function. Thank you. If it is your first time this channel, please consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell such that you'll always receive video notification when we do. Thank you. Bye bye.